Okay, so right here we've got our chain, and I'm going to show you how to do the front loop only. So what you're going to do is you're going to ignore this first one and you're going to go to the second stitch in from your knot. So you're going to turn it on its side so we can see all those beautiful front loops, and you're going to stick your crochet hook under the second one. Careful not to split your yarn. And you can see right here you've got the back loop on this left side, and you've got the front loop on this right side. So you should have 2 knots right there. Then what you're going to go ahead and do, keep your tension in your hand. You can see I went over my pinky, under, over, and then I've just got that there, and I'm using my thumb and my middle finger to hold onto my chain. Now you're going to yarn under and pull through that first one. Then you're going to go ahead and pull through both of them after a second yarn under. Okay, and now we're just going to go to the next one. So we go into the chain just like this. Oh, that one's a little tight. There we go. Go into the chain, yarn under and pull through, and just like that. Let's do one more time really slow. So we go into this front loop only. You can see it's just the front loop. You pull it in, and oops, you pull it a second time. If you're getting stuck like this, your tension's too tight. So you just pull these both back, loosen your tension a little bit, and you're going to pull it through. If you're having a hard time catching, it usually means that your tension's not tight enough. So you want to work on just getting that just the right tension so that you can just pull it perfectly and just go right through those loops nice and smooth. And we'll just keep going. Go in and pull and pull. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the last few here, and then I will show you what to do for your second row. Okay, so I've done all of them except for my very last one on my first row. But what I'm going to show you next, so first I'm going to do my last one. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fix my tension. And then I'll go ahead and pull it through both of those. There you go, just like that. Now we've got our 10 and 10. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is you'll do one extra one, and this helps you to turn around. So I just did one extra little chain loop there at the end, and I'm going to turn around. Now you can see on the top you've got those familiar looking chains, and then on the side you've got this crazy thing that, if you're new to crochet, looks very, very intimidating. I assure you it is not, though. We're just going to stick with this basic thing here. So we've just got the front loop right here. We're just going to go ahead and do just like we've done before. So keep our tension nice and tight, go through that front loop, and then we're going to go ahead and pull that through and pull it through both of them. And I'm just trying to go very slow, which is messing up my tension a little bit. Go ahead and just go very slow so you can see. Go through both. You'll go through the front loop again. And you know you've only gone through the front loop because you'll be able to count 1, 2 on this. And you'll pull that there, 1, and then pull both. And then we're going to go ahead and pull 1, and then pull both. And we'll just go through the entire thing here. And this is front loop crochet, front loop only crochet. If you have any comments, go ahead and drop them below for me. I'd love to help you out and answer them. And I'd love to see what you're working on. If you'd like to join me on my crochet stitch challenge, go ahead and look at my videos on that. And I'd be happy to help you out with that too. So there is my first 2 rows of front loop only single crochet. If I were to continue, I'd go ahead and I'd do 1 extra chain, and I'd turn, and I'm on this other side, and you can see there's that familiar chain you're looking for every single time here. And you'll just be going, skip the first one right here and go into the second one. So not the one that this is coming out of, but the second one. Okay, happy crocheting!